We have a health alert for you this morning. It may be the holiday season, but it's also that time of the year for pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Pertussis puts newborns and infants especially at high risk this time of year. The disease is highly contagious and can cause serious health issues. Doctors say that vaccination is the key to preventing it. If you have teens, you want to make sure they get a booster shot. If you're an adult and you haven't gotten yours yet, you want to get it right away, they say. For more info on pertussis, visit soundsofpertussis.com.